Beaders, it's Gina from orchidandopal.com, and I have some products to share with you guys today from Beebeecraft.com. They're an online craft and jewelry making supply store, and every month I share some products that they carry to give you an up-close look at some of the things that you can find on their site. I find their prices to be very reasonable, and they do have free international shipping on orders over $25. It could take a couple of weeks for your order to get to you, so just be aware of that, especially depending on where you're located. And for all the products I'm going to share today, I will leave the specific links down below. I also have a coupon code. It will save you $5 off your purchase of $40 or more, and the code is GINA, G-I-N-A, so don't forget to take advantage of that. The first two items are wire. They do carry a lot of different styles and gauges, colors of wire, and I've shared them a lot over the past year and a half or so. I was actually running low on my 20 gauge, so as you can see, I picked up two rolls of that. One is a gold and another one is the silver. This is a brighter silver, and this is a bit of a brassy gold. Personally, I would love if this was a little bit more toned down, and that was something I wasn't sure by ordering on their website, if it would be this more brassy yellow gold or a little bit more toned down. Not that there's anything wrong with that, I was just personally curious, and if any of you have looked at it, hopefully this helps you out so you know what you're getting. These are both by the Beading brand, which I really like, and they're both $7.64 at the time that I am filming this video. You do get 11 yards on both spools, which is a whole 33 feet, so it should last a good amount of time. The next two items I'm going to show you are actually groups of stringing materials, just to show you what else they have to offer. This is something new I haven't shared before. This is a set of 6 nylon bead stringing cord, and I'm going to take it out of this crinkly wrapping. And there you have it. That is a lot of cord. So this set of 6 costs $16.99. And there is a close-up look at the black cord. You can see it's got a little bit of a sheen to it. And the diameter of this is 0.8 millimeters. So it should go through your standard 1 millimeter hole beads pretty well. If you break this out by price for the 6 rolls, that would come to about $2.83 per roll. And there's 100 yards on each of these spools. So that should go a very long way. And here is the next set of cord that I picked out. There's 12 rolls here. This is a 1 millimeter diameter cord, so it's a little bit thicker than the other we just took a look at. Each of these spools has almost 11 yards on each roll, and just look at these fun colors, lots of neons. Makes me think of some knotting projects, some things that could be done that are more summer oriented, maybe more kid oriented, but you also get some great neutrals with the set too. So this cord, unlike the other nylon, it's made from cotton. It's got a light coating of wax on it that's great for knotting, macrame. It's lightweight, but that little bit of a wax texture is gonna hold those knots just a little bit better. And here's a look at these cords out of the packaging. Let's take a closer look at pink, just for the simple fact that this one matches my nail color today, just to give you an idea of the texture of what you're looking at here, because it's hard to tell online sometimes. So it's very flexible. It doesn't have a sticky feel to it at all. And there's so many different things you can do with cord like this, not just in jewelry making, but all sorts of other crafting. The price on this set today is $10.62, so you're looking at less than $1 per spool. The next thing I picked up, we'll get into some beads here. So this is a container which is holding 24 different colors of electroplated glass or crystal bicones in a 4 millimeter size. And I love it when some of these great basics come in these sturdy plastic containers with the locking mechanism on them, because they are reusable. I've acquired quite a few of these containers over the past couple years, and they are so useful to have. So check out all the different colors that you get in this set. The 4 millimeter bicones, of course, these are not Swarovski crystal, but that's okay. These are a great shape to have, whether you're into bead stringing or weaving. There's just a lot of projects out there for this particular shape, and you get a lot of sparkle when you work with these due to the faceting, and especially with these due to the electroplated finish, which gives them even more of that metallic shine. This set currently costs $17.69, so when you break that down per color, that comes to approximately 74 cents per section. And it says that there are 120 pieces of each color. So in total, you're looking at 2,880 bicones right here. I like that there are some basic colors, but you also get some really fun metallics, like that purple is gorgeous. And these two right here, this one's got that iris look to it. This beautiful smoky blue. I love the silver and gold. Those are some of my favorites in this set. And then finally, I was saving my favorite thing for last. This is a bag containing 20 strands of mixed shape freshwater shell beads. It says there's 520 beads total in all, and you can see already the different shapes and colors. So we'll take them out and get a closer look at each one of these strands. All right, so here they all are, and I like this mixture of colors. We have some of the more natural brownish and tan, that creamy mother of pearl, but look at the fun purple and pink we have here, and that marigold orangey yellow. Ooh, that's really cool. So this set of 20 strands costs $19.59 today. So when you break that out, it's about $1 per strand, and these are pretty long. I would say they are about 15-inch strands, and they're going to be random. So if you picked this set up, it might be slightly different than what you see me sharing with you, just because it says that each of the 20 strands might just be a little bit different. Looks like I got some repeats in here. These are that lighter, creamy mother of pearl, kind of a tabular, rectangular bead. Here is a closer look at that yellowish, flat, round disc strand, gorgeous luster. And here are the two strands with the purplish tone. These are in a oval shape. Here are some of these golden brownish flat squares. Two strands of this bubblegum pink in the flat rounds. We also have two strands of the flat rounds in this light brownish camel combination. Some flat teardrops in a similar color. There's two strands of these that have the hole kind of on the diagonal. That's a pretty golden brown and black combination. Here is one that is not a repeat. It's got a very metallic finish on it. You can see as I move it around under the light. And then last, this strand in various shades of brown and some black in these smaller flat ovals. So it's just fun to pick up something different and check out these strands and see what kind of a mix I would get. And for $1 each, I think that's a pretty good deal. So that is everything I picked out from Beebeecraft for the month to share with you guys. Once again, I will leave the links to everything down below, as well as the coupon code GINA, which will save you $5 off your purchase of $40 or more. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for future tutorials where I will come back and use some of these products so you can actually see them in action. Until next time, I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your day wherever you are. Try to stay healthy, well, and do your best to try to focus on positive and productive things like making beautiful wearable pieces of art. I will see you guys real soon, and as always, happy beading. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of my latest videos. You can check out the information section below this video for links to all my social media handles, recommended products, and my shop and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching.